Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain to you how to use the templates feature in the CapCut application in your mobile system. In the previous video, I have covered the basic usage of the CapCut application. Come to your mobile and open your mobile and then open the CapCut application. Click on it and this is the main page, and then click on the templates option. Click on it. You can see here these are templates are available here. I want to select this one templates. Click on it and then click on the use templates button and then click on the your video, on which one video you want to apply this one templates. Click on it. And you can see here the templates is apply on it, and then click on the export button and then click on the below export button. The exportation will start here. It depends upon your internet speed, and you can easily share the templates video on the Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, anyone social media. I want to share it on the WhatsApp. Click on the WhatsApp option and then I want to send this templates to myself. You can easily send the templates on any one video to your friend. And this, then I want to apply this one templates on my photo. Select this one templates and then click on the use templates button. Click on it and then select the photo option and then select the photo, this one photo, this one, and then this one and this one and this one. I have selected 5 photo and then click on the next button and you can see here. Then click on the export button and then we'll click on the below export button. The exportation will start here, depend upon the internet speed, and you can easily share it on the WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. I want to share it on the WhatsApp. Click on it and then I want to send this video to the Hasnain Khan and write the Hasnain name and then click on the Hasnain Khan and then click on the arrow button. The sending process has been started here. You can see it will take time, depend upon your internet speed. So in short, in this video I have explained to you how to use the templates in the CapCut application in your mobile system. If you have any question about this video, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.